The word of the day is
é, é, verdade, verdade, é mi,
For more information on how you can learn Cabo Verdeano, visit us on Facebook at Learn Cabo Verdeano or email us at learncaboverdeano@gmail.com.